Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, what are the messages for you? What are the messages for Aries, fire sign? And what's going on? Eight of Wands, Six of Cups. Someone is thinking about you a lot. For some, you are thinking about them a lot. This could be soulmate connection or past life connection with each other. Strong soulmate connection. And Eight of Wands under the deck. Lots of communication is coming. Someone want to communicate with you. In near future, you will get lots of communication back and forthly. And the person involved in this connection could be air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But lot of water energy and earth energy is here. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Swords, Seven of Cups, and King of Pentacles. I think in recent past you feeling stuck, you confused. Yes, you totally confused and you feeling stuck energy wise. And King of Pentacles, maybe you started focusing on your career and you are very honest in this relationship. You are always there for your person no matter what. And King of Pentacles, you started focusing on your career, especially financial stability. In relationship wise, you feeling stuck, you are confused. Maybe you have options for some. Then present Queen of Wands, Nine of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. Yes, you are balancing your finances. And I think for some in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person treating you as an option for some. Then you started focusing on yourself. You stand by your power. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially, because Queen of Wands. Now you are taking your control back and your wishes are going to be granted. Then future, Five of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Justice. Yes, you stand by your power, but someone is coming back for second chances. And but in past they treated you as an option because Five of Pentacles, cold shouldering. But they realize their mistake. Maybe they are willing to come back because Knight of Pentacles with Justice card. Maybe this time they are very serious. They want to marry you. But it's up to you because the decision maker is you now. In the person, already I told signs. So, after seeing your person, feelings and intention, we will get more clear picture about what is going between you and your person. But someone is returning because Knight of Pentacles is here. Maybe in past they treated you as an option. Yes. So let's see your person feelings. Chariot. Yes. They are in slow moving. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, Libra especially. So their feelings, Libra. Wow, again Six of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. I think, yeah, this time your person is serious. Really, they're serious about you. And they're thinking about you 24/7. They're feeling that you are their soulmate in the world. If you are in separation with your person, so they want reconciliation. If you are not, they want to take this relationship to next level. But I am thinking that they are taking this relationship to next level. They're thinking about it. Yes, they're planning. And Six of Wands, they want success in this connection. For some, your person is already very successful in career wise. They're popular maybe. And Six of Cups, definitely you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. Yes, they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see their intentions. Aries, let's see their intentions. Wow, the sun under the deck. So they're realizing that you are their happiness, you are their sunshine, because Queen of Wands, yes, they are going to make action very soon. Maybe for some it is taking some time because the Chariot and the Temperance, maybe they are planning, they want right time to make a right move because they don't want to miss the chance again. Maybe they're waiting for right time because the Temperance, they want to restore the balance in this connection. Maybe in past there is no balance between you and your person. So they're wishing for this connection and they're waiting for right time. They're waiting patiently. And Queen of Wands, definitely they want to make action towards you. Maybe for some your person is very aggressive in nature. Yes, they're patiently waiting for right time to make a move, but they're wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups. Yes, they will make action. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Sagittarius. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Leo or Sagittarius. The world again. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again. So Ace of Pentacles, this time your person looking very serious. And Five of Swords. Yes, still there are some disturbances between both of you guys. You both have to rectify before moving forward in this relationship. Again the world. Some cycles are going to be end and some new cycles are going to be begin between both of you. I'm saying passionate new beginnings between both of you. Yes. You both have a lot of passion towards each other and a lot of attraction in this connection. And the world with Three of Pentacles, definitely reconciliation and collaboration partnership is coming in this relationship. Yes. New cycles are going to be begin between both of you and you both are very passionate about each other. See, Knight of Cups with the Chariot. Definitely some moment is coming in this relationship. Yeah, for some it could be late because very slow moving energy, but it is coming. And the strength. So you both are working on yourselves, on self growth. And this connection has potential. Definitely this connection has potential in near future. And yes, a lot of you will reconcile if you are in separation with this person. If you are not separation, if you are in relationship with this person, definitely there is marriage. Yes, your person want to be with you in a committed relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo and Sagittarius. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Maybe your person is very dominative. Yes. They are very aggressive and dominative in nature. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Your commitment is being tested. First quarter moon. For some, it is a testing period for you, especially for some in relationship, for some in working area. But don't worry. And if you are honest in your relationship or career, you will be win. And it's time to release negativity. So if you are not honest, for some who are not honest, so it's time to release all those things. And especially it's time to release negativity in you or negative thoughts about your person or anyone. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.